Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to book Air Canada tickets online. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna have to sign in the Air Canada website, which is aircanada.com. And after that, it's gonna show you this page right here. So in here, you have to select where you're gonna depart from and where you're gonna arrive in. So for example, let's say you are in Canada and you wanted to go, for example, for the US. So in here, you're gonna type Canada and you can select like whatever destination you're in. And in here, you're gonna type in the destination that you wanted to go to. Let's say, for example, the US, Texas. And after that, you have to select if it's only you or are you booking for your friend or your family, and if there is any youth or any child with you. And here you have to select the type of the trip, if it's one way or if it's multi-cities. And in here it's going to show you all the options that you want. But let's stick to one way for now. And you have to select the travel date. Let's say you want to travel on the 19th. And if you have any promotion code, you can just type it in here. If you do not, that's totally fine. And after that, you press on search. And in here you can see the flights and the timing. But we selected November the 19th, so we're just gonna scroll down, and in here you're gonna see the economy and the premium economy and the business class, and you can basically just select whatever you want. And in here it's gonna show you like the lowest price and the higher price. So let's say for example we want to select this one, and after that you're just gonna press on select. And it's gonna lead you to this page right here. So if you do have an account in their page, you can press on continue as a member. If you do not, you can just press on continue as a guest. And in here, you're gonna type in your first and middle last name and the gender. Also confirm some of the basic information. And after that, you're just gonna scroll down and press on continue. And after that, it's gonna give you a quick guide through the seats and the travel options and also the payment method. And you'll be all set. So yeah, that was the video for today. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. Cheers.